A stunning smile can make all the impact on someone's confidence as well as self-confidence. Dental bridges are an extremely popular option for replacing missing teeth and creating a beautiful smile. In this short video, we'll look at the various types of bridges for dental use and the procedure of obtaining the dental bridge and advantages of an expertly crafted dental bridge. Types of dental bridges. There are a variety of dental bridges that could be utilized to substitute missing teeth. Most commonly, it is the traditional bridge. It is made up of the false tooth, pontic, that is held by two crowns of dental material which are bonded to adjacent teeth. A different type of bridge is called a cantilever that is utilized when there's only one nearby tooth that can help support the pontic. Maryland bridges are another choice that have the pontic secured with a porcelain or metal frame that's bonded to adjacent teeth. Process of getting a dental bridge. The procedure of obtaining the dental bridge usually will require 2 or more visits at the dental office. In the initial visit, the dentist prepares the adjacent teeth by taking off some of enamel in order to create space for crowns for the dental. The impressions of the teeth are taken and then sent to a dental lab in which the dental bridge is custom made. While the bridge is being made, the bridge can be put in place to shield the teeth that are exposed. On the next appointment then, the permanent bridge is cemented into the correct position and any adjustments are made to make sure that the fit is comfortable. Benefits of having a dental bridge. A well-constructed dental bridge could provide a variety of advantages, both visually as well as functionally. Dental bridges can improve your chewing and speak correctly and also maintain your dental alignment and stop them from moving. Furthermore, a bridge will improve the look of your smile, making up for gaps caused by missing teeth and resulting in an even and appealing smile. In the end, a bridge will improve the quality of your living by helping to restore your self-confidence and confidence. Dental bridges are an extremely popular and efficient solution to restoring missing teeth and making a perfect smile. There are a variety of bridges for dental use and each has its distinct benefits. The procedure of acquiring the dental bridge is easy and is completed within a couple of visits to a dentist. Benefits of using a dental bridge include enhanced chewing ability and improved speaking skills and an attractive smile. If you're missing teeth and want to improve your appearance, think about getting an implant-supported dental bridge that can bridge gaps and restore confidence.